Oh, hey, what's happening there, YouTube? It's Brian House here for Housework, and today we are going to be testing out the latest hog splitter that I've built and put together. Now, I've never done any sort of blade testing or edge retention, so this is going to be a new experience for me, but we are going to go through 3 different types of tests. One being the water bottle test. I've got a single water bottle here. I've got a big cow bone. We're going to chop this beast. And I've got a few coconuts. I've got some green and some brown coconuts, and I think that that will be a pretty good determination of how this blade came out. Without further ado, screw it. Let's do it. Okay, I'd say that came out pretty nice. Nice clean cut on the bottle there. No complaints. And the bottle itself, and the bottom still retaining water, and nice clean cuts. Beautiful work so far. All right, I think it's time to chop a couple coconuts. Okay, so far the coconuts are nice clean cuts. Everything looks really nice in there. And yeah. Delicious. The first coconut I smacked, I sort of glanced off of it. And then just took a little corner off of it. And then I hit it again, and it went right clean through. Unbelievable. This thing is a beast. Yeah, once you get the hang of it there, it's actually quite simple to chop right through some green coconuts. Even the brown ones, those are pretty tough too, but a couple of smacks with the brown ones and they go clean through. That's amazing stuff. Just taking a look at the blade here, yeah, we definitely have some rolling on the edge, nothing that can't be repaired. Almost looks like chipping, but it's really just rolling. And little bit of a disappointment there, but I did temper these at 600 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning I softened the blade in order to create a steel that is a little bit more impact resistant. Talking with Mike, the gent who put together the heat treating cycle for Gerber blades and SOG, he said, you know, if you temper at 600 degrees Fahrenheit, yeah, you're gonna get a softer blade, but it'll take a lot more abuse, basically. So that's kind of why I went that route. Maybe next time I'd try 500 degrees just to see if there was a difference. But we've got one more test here, guys. We're gonna do the bone chop. This is a cow bone. I'm expecting some pretty awesome carnage here, and hopefully not a lot of blade damage, but we'll see. Let's do it. So yeah, as you can see, one swipe with that blade and this bone did not stand a chance. It went right through, shattered the bone. There's some clean cuts here and some pretty amazing carnage. I'm pretty happy with the overall performance of this A2 tool steel on this big old hog splitter. I did sustain some blade damage here, some rolling and some chipping. Nothing too major and nothing that cannot be repaired. Now, I will say I will rethink my tempering cycles for the next round of hog splitters. In fact, I think instead of 600 degrees Fahrenheit, I would probably go ahead with 500 degrees just to get a little bit more edge retention out of this steel. It's a balancing act, really. When you're heat treating A2, if you go a little higher on your temper, you get a little bit more impact resistance. And if you go a little lower, you get more edge retention. I went on the high end at 600 Fahrenheit and I got a little bit of edge damage. But for going through 5 coconuts and a bone and a water bottle and numerous chops on the stump here, she performed really well. If you got something out of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you hit that little bell, you'll get a notification every time I upload something to YouTube. There are numerous ways to support my channel. There are my Amazon store, Patreon page, my Teespring store, and those are all great ways to support my channel. And if you did so, it would be greatly appreciated. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate you and hope you're all happy, healthy, and well. My name is Brian House, and this has been Housework.